Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to these episodes of live trading analysis with Pro Digital FX. Alright, today we see something in Euros GBP that is very interesting, that possibly we can, take advantage of it and make a lot out of it. So right now, I'm starting from daily to see my own perspective when it comes to this pair. So I want you to use what you've learned to make a lot out of the market. No knowledge is a waste. So let's dive deep into my own opinion and view of what I see in the chart. If you go back to January, okay, that was 2022 January. If you go back to January 2022, you see that the market was making some movement to the downside, but at that point the market decided, let me take this off, the market decided to make choke, because this was the last lower high and then this was the last lower low. So the market pushes upward and break that structure. That was a choke. After the choke, the market came down, induced, and then make the face higher low as low, then pushes up again and broke this particular structure. After breaking that structure, it went up to make higher high, came down again, broke, induce, went up again to make higher low, and then pushes up again to make higher high. So since that period, September 2022, since September 2022, the trade has been doing all those things. So all this leg was, the downside was higher low, and then this up is higher high. So they are in one leg. So until market broke this higher low, we are not in a downtrend, we are still in an uptrend. Until this market broke this, we don't have a break of structure. So there is something we call engineering liquidity when it comes to forex. So if you check this particular point, this zone here, this particular zone, that was engineering liquidity. It came down, and if you go back, you will see at this point, that's where it engineered liquidity. So right now, after that point, and then the market reacts to the upside. After this point, that was engineering liquidity, the market reacts to the upside. But definitely a lot of people might not see much about it here, so that's why I would drop to 4-hour time frame. In 4-hour time frame, following the same movement, this was higher high, and lower high, because this particular movement was a downtrend. This particular movement was a downtrend. So, and in a downtrending market, we know that it's making lower highs and lower lows. So this was lower high, this was lower low, this was lower high, and then this came down to this place. This was lower low. So this was lower low, this was lower high, this is lower low, right? This was lower low. Market pushes up again and make lower high, came back again, make lower low, and at the end of the day, it broke structure. That's what we call choke. After chalk, the market came down to induce after the inducement. So we are expecting the market to move from here to this. This is the first target. This is the first target. We are expecting the market to move there. But in daily time frame, the overall target is that we are expecting the market to move all the way from here back to that particular zone, like 0.92731. But we'll take it bit by bit following 4-hour time frame. First of all, this will be our first target. Once it breaks there, we'll wait for an inducement and then we continue the buy to the upside. So this is exactly what I'm seeing in Euros GBP. Thank you for staying with us to the end. Please subscribe, like, and there's another thing. If the market refused and take out this particular low on 4-hour time frame, if market take out this low on 4-hour time frame, if it decided to come down, then that means we have moved from an uptrend to a downtrend in a 4-hour time frame. And then on a daily time frame, if the market decided to come down to break this particular low, which is at 0.83380, then we know that the market has moved to a downtrend. But for now, the target, what we are seeing is the possibility of the market going to the upside, which is from here up to this movement. So let's see what is going to happen at the previous week. And yes, let's see what is going to happen at the previous week or at the previous days. Even after inducement, if you drop down to 15 minutes, you will see that something happened. If we follow 15-minute structure, this was the last break of structure on 15 minutes. If we want to do that, if you follow that, this was the last break of structure. Then the market induced at this point. The market induced at that point and then again broke structure on 15-minute time frame. Let me take this out for now. On 15-minute time frame, it broke the structure and then came back again to break this particular zone. This become a chalk. After the chalk, it came down again and induced. So in 15 minutes time frame, we see that chalk has happened. In 4-hour time frame, we see that it is going upward. So there is a very high possibility that the trade is going to the upside. So that is that about that I'm seeing on this pair. Study it, then let's take the trade together. Let's see the outcome of it. Make sure you put your stop loss. You can see my stop loss and my take profit is 0.86231. I will update you on future possibilities or the outcome of this trade. Thank you so much for staying with us to the end. We are Pro Digital FX, your humble mentor. Stay tuned for more videos. Don't fail to turn on the notification bell for other videos that will be coming up. Alright, see you in the next video. Bye.